Alright guys, so this is a get ready with me video. I'm getting ready to go to a dinner, but yeah.
She was wildin', she is tryna get back into time. That girl so lovely, it's 3 in the morning. It must be something special, cause girl you know I'm on it.
¿Y aquí ya?
No, pues no ahorita ya.
La gente tan bella. ¿Y tú te estás grabando, eh?
Sí.
Why are you so white?
Because I'm white. So I'm going to be using the Natural Lust palette by Too Faced. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with Come and Get It. Is this shade right here. Boom. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Take Me Back. Take the Cake is right here. Boom. Alright, since I'm doing a really natural eyeshadow look, I'm going to go in with concealer and cut my crease. I look like a bum. Alright, so now I'm going to use this shade. Then I'm going to use, oh my god, I just put my nail here. Then I'm going to use, okay, I'm going to start with this one. Then I'm going to go to this one. Then I'm going to go to this one. Yeah.
Hey girl,
Say something.
Está loco tu hermano.